The little brown dog. Oh, thanks, bud. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a billion jillion degrees on planet Earth right now. So I bought the cheapest 12-foot swimming pool I could get for me and the dog. Little backstory here, old hound dog had some knee surgery a year and a half ago now. Pretty serious surgery, and she's recovered great, that's awesome. But one of the ways that she recovered was actually hydrotherapy. Well, now that it's super, super hot, she can't walk that far. The pavement's a million degrees. It's just not great. So I thought, well, if we can get a swimming pool, then we can both hang out in it. She can get her dog exercise, and I can cool off. So here we go. Gang, look at the trees. It's over 90 degrees, and it's completely still. Not even pretending to think about having a breeze around here. Whew. Boy, howdy. Old Bezos said it came with a filter, and it looks like one that could be semi-standard for one of these things. And this looks like the style that you might see that's, you know, but these are just the Pee-wee version. I wonder if Bezos ordered his yacht off Amazon, if it would show up and be like a little dinghy. That's just about set up, but before I fill it, I think I'm gonna start with the next phases, just in case it starts pouring. We gotta build something for her to stand on to take a rest, because this should be just deep enough for her to swim around in. I do want her to feel nice and safe and have a landing zone to get back to. And that's going to be a PVC contraption, and I don't have those things. So I built this outdoor shower many moons ago. Yet again, I forgot to drain it this winter, and it exploded. This time just on the shark bite fitting. So got a new one to replace it. Hopefully that's the only place it split. But this shark bite's actually a repair from a soldered connection that exploded. So let's hope for the best. So shark bites are removable with these thingies. This is just a 3/4 one, and I need a 1/2 inch. But instead, the OD is 5/8. So given the similar shapes, I thought maybe a 5/8 wrench might do the trick here. That worked. Look at that. Let's see if it works. Victory. I shut the valves off and the water didn't stop, and that's because it's pouring apparently. I'm just under this magnificent oak tree. Probably put my bikes away. All right, gang, we gotta head to the store. Haven't started this thing in a minute. Let's see how she does. Wow. It's seriously been a couple weeks. All reliable. Right, as usual. Project time and cost seem to be escalating. We got some PVC and some tubifers. So I bought the cheapest pool possible from Bezos, but turns out the incidentals are adding up. Whatever, anything for the dog. So I bought another set of these Ryobi tools. I already bought one while I was on the road, and I have worn it out over at the ranch. Well, I tried to. I haven't worn any of it out, but I use it all the time. So I bought another set for this project to keep at the house. Set comes with a Sawzall, circ saw, drill, impact, what I call the Angry Bees, a little cutoff tool, and 2 batteries. the little battery and one big battery and one charger. And this was $200 for all of it. It also comes with a flashlight, but I don't really count it because it's like this is the silliest flashlight on the planet. Less than $50 a tool and free batteries. Not sponsored, but look for them when they're on sale. They get marked down from $300 to $200 several times a year. So just jump on it when it's $200. That's what I did. All right, let's build stuff. So about 1.5 inch PVC. I had to order these from Bezos. These are furniture PVC things. And then for the dog hanging out on surface, I got this 1/2 inch PVC, which we're gonna support with our network of those guys. So the water level in here is 25 inches, max is 27, and our dog unit is 16 inches. Our weapon of choice is going to be the Sawzall because they gave us a Sawzall blade. Personally used the Makita kits, which are great. And my Milwaukee kit was $500 over 10 years ago. This whole set was $200, so. All right, let's cut stuff. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. We're aiming for ish. Sorry, bud. And get on Dog Island. That's how many dogs you are. You're this many dogs long. Yeah, hop on. It's for dog. Oh, thanks, bud. Dog, how long are you? You're like 32 inches long at the most. All the way to your nub. From your nose to your nubbin. 48, okay. Again, we can always trim it down. I'm gonna make it a little big so she gets used to it. Everything's built to little brown dog sizes, so if you have a littler or bigger dog, and just, you know, measure them. Same thing with your pool and your depth and all that jazz. But the idea should be the same if you need to make one of these for yourself. So while we do this little dry fit, I want to talk about hydrotherapy for dogs, because when I first heard about it, I thought, it's kind of bogus. It's got to be a scam. And there were actually some places that maybe seemed like that. However, we found her 2 different excellent trainers who had swimming pools. And they are trained in hydrotherapy for dogs, which is essentially training that basically gives the dog physical therapy. So after her knee surgery, she had to sit 6 weeks. Unfortunately, during that time, she also gained a bunch of weight. We were living in Los Angeles at the moment, and everywhere we walked was full of other dogs, hills, cars. So getting her into the pool gave her a low impact exercise in a controlled environment with a professional who knew how to exercise her leg after this major knee surgery. So she got to be active, she lost a bunch of weight, she gained a bunch of muscle after sitting for 6 weeks. The results were incredible, and I cannot thank those trainers enough. They were super friendly, super nice to be around, and as a result, we're now building dog a pool to swim around in, not because she necessarily needs the low impact exercise right now, but because it's insanely hot. So this is just one other thing, and we can give her some low impact exercise while keeping her cool, so she's not trapped in the house when it's a heat index of over 100 degrees, which it is on the planet right now. No, whoops. Right row, forgot. I need to make these ones for the bottom. So you're gonna make 4 legs of whatever height. I'm gonna make 4 long pieces, 4 long sides, and 4 short sides, so that, although I guess it would be fine sitting on this, let's just do that, because I think I might want it to fill with water. Otherwise it may float. Let's try it. We don't really know what we're doing. We're doing it. Viola. No! Just fell through there. That's lost forever. Round 2. What do you think, bud? Is it gonna work? Yeah? Safety inspection? If it's approved, I'm gonna try it in the pool. I need you not to float. I think I gotta drill some holes. Huh. So this PVC board floats. So we're gonna make a cross piece so that we can put a weight on it and hopefully hold this thing down. We don't know what kind of weight yet, but we'll figure it out. All right, I got the weight on the cross piece. Perfect. All right, bud, get your suit on. Let's start your dog island.
You can do it.
There you go. Go for it, buddy.
You can do it. Come on.
I think if I make it lower, it'll be better.
Come on, you can do it.
You get it,
Yeah,
bud?
I think it's too high. Come on, you can do it.
Not ready for it yet? Okay. Yeah, buddy! Look at you! Yeah, buddy!
Hey,
This way.
right here.
There you go.
There you go.
Excellent work.
Oh, careful, dog.
Princess towel, towel wins. I think I need a second towel. It's all wet. That's lost forever.